Greetings to all of you. Program BBM, Subject Principles of Management, Unit number 4, Directing, Meaning and Definitions of Motivation. In this video, the contents of the video are as follows: Introduction, Meaning, Definition. One of the element of direction is motivation. The term motivation has been derived from the Latin word mover, which means to move. The motivation has been defined variously by different authors. Let us see some of the definitions given by the experts. Berlson and Steiner defines a motive is an inner state that energizes, activates, or moves and directs or channels behavior goals. Likert defines it is the core of management which shows that every human being gives him a sense of worth in face-to-face groups which are most important to him. A supervisor should strive to treat individuals with dignity and a recognition of their personal worth. Lillis defines it is the stimulation of any emotion or desire operating upon one's will and promoting or driving it to action. The Encyclopedia of Management defines motivation refers to degree of readiness of an organism to pursue some designated goal and implies the determination of the nature and locus of the forces, including the degree of readiness. Dubin defines motivation is the complex of forces starting and keeping a person at work in an organization. Vance defines motivation implies any emotion or desire which so conditions one's will that the individual is properly led into action. Another expert, Vitals, defines motivation represents an unsatisfied need which creates a stage of tension or disequilibrium, causing the individual to make in a goal-directed pattern towards restoring a state of equilibrium by satisfying the need. These are the definitions given by some of the experts. So by analyzing these definitions, motivation may be defined as a work of a manager performs in order to induce subordinates to act in the desired manner by satisfying their needs and desires. So it is the work of the manager inducing the subordinates in a designed manner by satisfying their needs and desires. Motivation is concerned with how behavior gets started, is energized, sustained and directed. So motivation is which moves a person, which motivates a person to do something. That's why how it gets started and energized and sustained and directed until the completion of a work. Motive is anything that initiates or sustains activity. Motive is a psychological force within an individual that sets him in motion. So it is a psychological force which sets him in motion and perform some activity. So motivation is the process by which the efforts of an individual or group are energized and sustained towards attaining a goal. So, to complete a given task, to attain the goal, whatever the behavior of the person is energized and sustained for the completion of that goal is called as a motivation. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.